Hi guys, Alex Green here with another video. In this video, I'll be doing a quick tutorial on how to create a professional two-step opt-in using ClickFunnels. If you haven't heard of ClickFunnels, it's an amazing website builder that allows you to create professional landing pages and sales funnels in just minutes. I'll leave a link to the website in the description. With that being said, I'll go ahead and hop into the video. Right now, I'm in the dashboard of my ClickFunnels account. To build a funnel, simply click Build a Funnel. For the purpose of this video, I'll go ahead and select Collect Emails as the goal of this funnel. Next, I'll just give it a name. I'll go with YouTube. Here you'll find a selection of pre-built templates. I'll just go ahead and scroll through. Search two-step in the search bar. Whether you're using a video sales letter or written bullet points, you can select the opt-in that meets your needs. This is just one of the ways you can create a professional two-step opt-in using ClickFunnels. Another way is, let's say you already have an existing landing page with ClickFunnels, but you're not sure how to link your call to action button to the pop-up. Simply go into your landing page and click Edit Page. Next, you want to click on your call to action, and on the right where it says Set Action, simply click Open Pop-up. And you're done. Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.